The NIS Robotics Fellowship is really a program designed to connect passionate builders with really all the resources that Lincoln and the Southeast Nebraska regional ecosystem have to offer. Whether that's materials, equipment, coaching, technology, or opportunity. This is our inaugural pilot program, and the impact has been incredible.
My name is Brooke Bodie.
Brooke came in here with a prototype, and so much of her work has been more on strategy and project management and identifying resources to help solve the problems that she's facing with her business and with her startup day to day.
If you think about like the average rancher in the Nebraska sandhills, right? And they're raising anywhere between like 40 and like 2,000 head of cattle. And for these ranchers to manage their hydration of their cattle that are out in the pasture, they have to drive to every single tank and look at it. For some of the tanks, that's, chopping ice. For others, it's fixing broken windmills. So the project I'm working on for this program is a piece of hardware that attaches to the side of the tank that uses a sensor to measure the water level and the water temperature, and then sends that over either cellular network or satellite so that a rancher can see the conditions of the tank from a website. So they don't have to drive to every tank to know what's happening, and they also know what's happening at those tanks before they leave. I built a prototype of this project last year, and it worked really well outdoors for about 3 weeks, and then we put it out with cattle and they destroyed it because they just apply some obscene amount of force. And if you cross an elephant with a toddler, you get a cow. They chew on everything, they push it really hard, they're just really curious. What I really liked about the program is that I got extended access to the studio. I'm primarily only available in the mornings, and the studio is primarily open in the afternoons, and so I get the chance to come in here when it's not technically open yet and work on things and ask a lot of questions. If I could give any rancher their time and money back so they could spend more time with that, their next generation that they're doing so much for, that's really the goal of what I'm trying to do here.